Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS, Infosys, HCL, Cognizant, top IT, MNC, work from home and now. And this video is very important for the graduates 2022 batch because after work from home, okay, so there is a new flexible work hours become new trend. Goodbye 9 to 5. There is a flexible work hours as a new trend after work from home. So this video is very important for all of you. Please check the important video and please watch the video till the end. One of the most important point, I already updated so many videos on channel. Please check this video is very important for all of you. This is related to off campus hiring for the freshers batch from so many MNCs. So let's start the video. Okay, all the news are on the TechGeek platform, so news credit goes to TechGeek platform. So it is posted on the 25 March. Several IT firms in India including TCS, HCL and others are going to call employee back to the office. Okay, so they just mentioned that TCS in a statement said that COVID-19 improved across the globe and now that majority of the employee and their families are vaccinated. The company apparently work in a hybrid way of work in which worker choose to spend time in the office and work remotely. The company will be getting the employee back to offices in the coming month. Okay, so it will be also applicable to 2022 batch as well as for the graduates batch. Okay, because it will be totally depend on them, like what they mention in your joining, like what is your joining location. You have to just go to your joining location or not. So all the important point. All about the HCL Technologies also said that, and Infosys also said that previously faced return to office, encouraging staff to come in a 4 a day or 2 every week. They just mentioned that. Okay, so according to Richard Lobo, Executive Vice President and Head HR at Infosys, they just mentioned that Infosys expected a hybrid model in which approx 40 to 50% of employees are likely work from office post subsequent phases of return to office. As well as the Cognizant has also planned to return to office in April 2022 in a stage way. Okay, from the next month. And there is a second news also, like goodbye 9 to 5 flexible work hour become new trend. They just mentioned that the pandemic indeed changed how everything used to happen before. From working in the office to working from the comfort of your home, dynamics for a lot of things have changed. Nearly 30% of employees from across the world who said that they would consider looking for new job and they find out their current employer will ask them to resume coming to office to work full time. There have been various big names in the industry who have been decided to offer permanent remote working their employee. While some have incorporated remote working, others have a flexible work employment to employ. With flexible working, they just mentioned that it is related to the some of the flexible working. Okay, so this typically 9 to 5 schedule sometimes throw employee out of a sync. Employee get up early to their workplace on their time, and supervisor who see their employee who arrive late are comparatively less conscious in their job performance than employee who arrive early. So they just mentioned that there is a new scheme ASAP apply in the coming month for the graduates batch as well as the freshers batch in the IT industry. So I think there should be changes in some of the trend. And one of the most important point, please comment in the comment section like work from home is better or work from office is better. like हम कहाँ ज्यादा सीख रहे हैं, हमारी लर्निंग पे कहाँ फोकस हो रहा है, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर करके बताएं. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो एक लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.